In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get off Deliveroo's waitlist. So what we want to do is just load up the Deliveroo Rider app and then click on the question mark found in the top right corner. From here, we want to select any article that pops up for us. So I can't log in, just choose it like this. Click on accept all here if it pops up, and we will search for contact customer. Now it's all going to make sense in a bit. Just search for this article and click on, for example, the first article that pops up. And we want to scroll down all the way until we see contact us right above account. In this case, it doesn't really matter which article you choose. So click on contact us, and then we want to choose I am an applicant. So from here, you will fill out your name, email address. The subject is going to be waitlist change city. So this should speed up the process. And here you choose the city which you initially chose. For example, make sure you write your correct vehicle type. And how can we help? Here we will choose the first option that says I'm on the wait list or the waiting list. All right, and when it comes to your message, you will explain that you have been on the waiting list for X amount of time. So for example, 3 months, so on and so forth, maybe a month, maybe more, maybe less, and tell them that you would like to change city. For example, if you have obviously moved and if something has changed in that period. And what you can also do is write your current city. So for example, tell them that you would like to change to, if you're from agent, then you can change to agent. And what this is going to do is essentially it's just going to make them re-review your application once you click on send, and this should get you off the waiting list. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.